Alright, so this ain't Lipton. This is Food Lion tea. I don't even know what I had this for at the house, but we're gonna see how it is. So I almost got to give you guys a review on the tea. I really don't think it's the brand of tea. I really think it's how you make it. I've been privy enough to live up north where the tea is not sweet. And I've been privy enough to live down south where the tea would twist your tongue.